current research topics are mainly two. The first one is freshness of information in network systems. So far, communication and network systems are designed to carry voice traffic, video traffic, and the protocols are designed for it, and they are doing pretty well now. But if you come to emerging applications like autonomous driving or automation in industry, there the information itself that is received might not be useful if it is too stale or if it is generated long time ago. So here comes freshness of the information into the limelight, and my focus is in how to design algorithms and network protocols to deliver fresh information, and so that these networks, future networks, can better support these emerging applications. And the second research topic I am working on is in learning at the edge. So there is a huge thrust for moving machine learning applications from data centers to the edge for obvious reasons, because all the massive data that is being collected from mobile phones and IoT devices, the first port of entries for them is the cellular network, base stations and Wi-Fi access points and so on. So if we can do training at the edge, then you can also save bandwidth that is required to move all this massive data to data centers, and also the delay that is required for the inference to come back to these edge devices. So in this direction, I was mainly focusing on which data to collect from these devices, because machine learning models are as good as the data that is fed into them. So which data to select and when to transmit them. So these are important both from energy perspective, because if you just collect random data and send, some of them might be redundant, and also you can save bandwidth for the wireless transmissions. So my focus is primarily in designing algorithms for such kind of selections. We already saw a big jump from 4G LTE to 5G in terms of the wide variety of applications that 5G can support, and two of the key enablers for this is edge computing and network slicing. Now, apart from supporting these applications, we need a support from the network to deploy these applications at a large scale. For example, the autonomous cars now we see they are very few, but if you want to think of a city full of autonomous cars, network support is required for them for sure, both to support safety, to coordinate them, and to also manage the traffic in the city. So I think the key innovations will be made at multiple levels. One is at network stack with new protocols coming into place, and in the evolved packet core, how the processing is done for the data that is coming in from different devices, and at the edge computing level, where you have to look at load balancing, you have to look at machine learning models that are being deployed, and so on and so forth.